Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online class for April 2023. In this class we will be creating 6 fun fold pop-up box handmade cards with your choice of stamp set. Each of the 6 cards will have a different fun fold. I will be making my cards with the Sweet Citrus bundle and the Share a Milkshake bundle. You can choose which set you want to use or pick one that you already own. Look for images that work well with bright colors. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class with beautiful cards. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's check them out now. Here are the cards we are going to be making. There are 6 different fun fold cards, and each card creates a pop-up box kind of version of the card. So this first one is called a front pop-up box. It's fairly simple, pretty easy to put together, and it does fit nicely inside an envelope. The second card we're going to be creating is a back shadow pop-up box with bridge. So this one, these can all also stand by themselves, which you can't see very well since the camera's on top, but super cute. And we're going to add the greeting to the back of the card. This also will fit in an envelope by just pressing down. It fits nicely. And here is the ice cream one. And again, a little greeting on the back. So that's card number 2. Card number 3 is a pop-up box card. So again, this would fit, stand by itself. And just a really cute pop-up box. The greeting is on the back as well. Whoops. So that's the ice cream, and here's the sweet citrus. Super cute color combinations, really bright and cheery. So for card number 4, this is an inside shadow box pop-up card. And so that's the ice cream, and then you open it up and it has this shadow box that pops up when you open the card. And here is the sweet citrus version. Super cute. So that's a fun one. So for our card number 5, we're going to do a pop-up shadow box. So again, this fits inside an envelope, and when you pull it out, it pops up. And there's different layers. It's a really pretty card. These ones are so fun to make. Again, it fits nicely inside an envelope, and then when you take it out, it pops up and can stand by itself. And then a little space on the back for a greeting. And then our last card is called a pinwheel pop-up box card. And it does fit inside an envelope. And then when you take it out, it creates this pinwheel. And so there are 4 different sides that you can design and create. One of them I've left blank for a message. So I'm excited to share with you how to make that card as well. And here is the version with the sweet citrus. So again, it opens like this, and it has 4 different sides that you can design and create some cute images with. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run through Monday, April 17th through Saturday, April 22nd. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, April 1st. Sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include cardstock and card bases, plus envelopes. There will be no pre-cut shapes included in this kit. It will also include 12 6x6 sheets of the Flower and More Designer Series paper, a new roll of Sweet Sorbet ribbon, and a full pack of rhinestone basic jewels. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the ribbon and rhinestones. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will be posting written PDF instructions and a cutting and scoring template for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with the PDFs with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you would like to purchase any of them, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will want to have a stamp set, maybe a bundle. I'm going to use the Sweet Citrus bundle that comes with the Sweet Citrus dies and the coordinating embossing folder. So you can get all 3 of those things together in one bundle. I'm also going to be using the Share a Milkshake stamp set, which comes with the Share a Milkshake dies. And so this as well is a bundle. You will want the Stylish Shapes dies as well. And then the ink colors we're going to be using, we've got Sweet Sorbet, Polished Pink, Crushed Curry, Blackberry Bliss, Starry Sky, and Parakeet Party. And then we'll also be using a blender pen for some of the images that need to be colored in. Here are the tools and adhesives you will need to make these cards. You will want to have a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. If you're going to be using any large dies, then you'll want the large size instead of the mini. You will also need a paper trimmer, something to clean your stamps. So I like this Simply Chamois. I've got ribbon scissors, paper snips, take a pick tool, bone folder, coordinating clear blocks for your stamp sets, and then your favorite adhesives. I've got Stampin' Dimensionals, either the large or mini size, tear-in tape, mini glue dots, liquid glue, and Stampin' Seal Plus. I am so excited for this class, and I hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com. Links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.